I haven't even told you guys, but I have started doing track. I'm not a sports person at all by means, not even close.
I was not a sports person either, and guess who else did track?
So we're both doing track, or at least I am right now. And she did it when she was younger.
With Dad.
But so I'm doing track, so we're right now, they told the coaches, or they told us to like bring snacks. They're like, you're gonna be at the meets from like 1:30 to 6:30, and that's if you're making it off easy.
So that's for your track meet tomorrow. So we're gonna get snacks for it. Yep. Got some mixed nuts, some dried fruit, some Gatorade. I picked up this hummus because it looked really good.
You could say to a child.
I just did the most awkward thing in like the entire world. Where am I gonna put this camera? Hold on.
Oh, that's
daring. Yeah, I know. It's sitting on the back seat. Okay, walked into the grocery store and there were Girl Scouts there, and right then and there, I decided in my mind I am not buying Girl Scout cookies, because if I do, I will eat not one, not two, not one sleeve, not two sleeves. I'll eat a whole box, okay? And I'll do it during school before the kids get home. And they'll get home and they'll be like, "Where's the Girl Scout cookies?" They'll be like, "I don't know. Your dad
your dad took them."
Yeah, exactly. So I'm walking out and the girl goes, "Would you like some Girl Scout cookies?" And I said, "Yeah, I would love some Girl Scout cookies, but I'm not gonna get any today." And she was just like,
well, the pause was so long and this girl was like 4 and I was like, "I'd love to get some, but I won't."
"But I'm not today." I think what I said, "But I'm not today."
But I'm not today.
I think I thought it was gonna come out nicer than it did, and it just didn't. Like, it just didn't come out nice.
Thank you so much, but no.
Anyway, that was weird.
I seriously was like, "Oh, you're getting some?" And then I was like, "Oh, never mind." I was like, "Oh."
Yeah, so did the little girl. Oh, that was weird. I don't know. Sometimes things just don't come out the way you intend them to.
I felt like I was just like the little girl. I think my eyebrows raised the exact same time her did. "I'd love to get some, but I won't today." And I was like, "Oh, okay." I think we both were feeling like, "Aw."
You related to her what?
Feeling, her emotion.
Yeah, her emotions.
I was gonna interrupt, like I was gonna say, "Oh no, thank you," because like I wasn't gonna be like, "I'd love some, but not today." Like that's kind of like similar to what went through my mind, but I was like, "Oh, I'll just say no, thank you." And I was gonna say it, but then Mom started talking. I was like, "Oh, I won't interrupt," but I was like, maybe I should have. Maybe I should have said, "No, thank you," and then walked off.
No, thank you.
But the funniest part is you went, "I'd love to get some, but I won't today," and then just walked off. Little girl's like, "Ow, thanks."
Okay, wow, that just... We weren't done talking about it, okay? We got in the car and Olivia wanted to hash it out again.
But I won't today.
Is this your first time doing pancakes? Like by yourself?
Yeah.
Is it?
Well, I have a little hope.
Yeah, I helped you a little bit, huh? Who did you feel like when you were cooking?
Matilda.
Why? Why Matilda?
She made pancakes all by herself.
Yeah. Watch your pancakes. Wow, that is a little baby teensy tiny one back there. Do you want to put these in it? I mean, I'm not gonna force you. Let's see. Nice. Nice. I put cinnamon in it and the kids were like, "You don't put cinnamon in it." I was like, "It'll be great. It'll be great. Gonna be great. Gonna be great." How do you know it's ready?
Because I looked under and it took a tip.
Ooh, are you sure this is your first time doing this? Because the way you can maneuver that spatula, you look like a professional. Oh. Okay, well, maybe not so much a professional. Go. Oh, there you go. Get right underneath. How's it look? Ooh, can you what? Okay, when we get home, you guys need to get all your snowplows and please put them away. Here's what $300 of groceries looks like. Right there, just that.
That's it. Really expensive Brownie Smith's sycamores.
Brownie, you got brownie. Lots of fruit and vegetables, lots of also sugary cereal and
Spring break.
things. Yeah, this hardly even accounts for like say that we needed a car wash is the biggest understatement of the day. Going to the property, this thing is so covered in mud. All right, smells good. Saturday session of conference done. Sunday morning session conference done. That was a doozy.
That was a good one. I love that.
Typically I'm like, yeah, I can follow the prophet. I can do the things he's asking us to do. This is a big ask. This is a big ask. Talking without contention. Being kind. Okay, like, I'm kind, I am. But I also have a temper, and I just felt like he was talking right to me, you know what I'm saying?
Well, that's what I thought the whole time. He was talking.
Bonnie will benefit greatly from this talk. Actually, no, and it's like, I feel like I have some major changing to do, and it's kind of hard. It's a hard pill to swallow.
Are you contentious?
I don't like the way you're talking right now.
Okay, Lydia,
Okay.
you start making my seasoning. So
You know what to do? Okay, so here's the plan. Joel's going to start working on the pasta. We made this last week, and I usually will make a recipe once before I share it with you guys. It was so dang good that we have to share it. And we don't make a lot of pasta around here. So this is really, really good.
What was in it again?
Well, Joel is getting our dinner ready because we want it to sit, yeah? We want it to sit and just marinate in the good flavors during the second half of conference. And so, while he's doing that, I'm going to set out, not like charcuterie, because come on, I can't make it look pretty, but I bought basically the things that would go on a charcuterie board, and we're just gonna like piece, you know? I mean, kind of. I'm thrilled. I can't wait to put this together.
Wait, there's stickers on these. I forgot about that.
That's okay. Just peel them off.
No, I forgot on the last two.
Did you cut up the sticker in there?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think you would have seen
it was on
it.
the top and then
Yeah, you would have seen it. Cody's cutting up the sausage.
God, he's doing it.
My stuff. Yeah, I'm like, Cody, scoot over just a little bit.
I'm gonna come here and get you real quickly.
Burn my hands. Doesn't seem like it's doing its
You need
job.
more in there. Here.
Oh, I do?
Open it up.
But it was like one piece at a time.
No, put like pack as many in there as will go.
I usually just do one.
No way.
Stand right there.
Yeah, I usually just do one.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, can you can grab to the park and come back?
Yeah, you can go over and come back, but you can't stay there. Anaconda squeeze!
Oh, yeah, do it. Come out.
The sauce is like settled all to the bottom. However, we're just gonna let this sit and marinate for the next couple of hours, and then we'll come up and finish dinner. However, everyone is ready. Look at the snack board. Would you look at it? Would you look at it? I think my favorite part is this oil.
It's so pretty.
I know. I can't wait to dip this is sourdough bread that we'll dip. I'll get some plates out for us.
Look deep really big.
Because like, what's
Yeah,
their
that's
name?
2,000.
One of my friends had one. The battery kept melting.
Yeah.
And it could
This
be
one
ruined.
has 3 gears, 3 speeds, and a reverse.
What are you looking at?
Wait, how fast can it go total?
A go-kart. A little mini Jeep go-kart.
Wait, Dad,
I
how
mean,
fast?
Cody are both like, hey, it's
What?
$2,000. I have 1,000. Cody has 1,000.
My birthday's coming up.
Dad, can you give me that go-kart for my birthday? It mixed.
I didn't okay. I bought the more expensive oil and balsamic, not knowing if I would even be able to taste a difference. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so good. What do you guys think?
It's so good. It's better.
Oh,
It's good with crap.
this is phenomenal. Never going back.
Wait, didn't we live on them? Yeah.
Okay, final product. You almost did not get to see the end result. And yes, I will post the recipe. I'll just put a link for it below.